Happy Vlogmas Day 5. I forgot to film an intro for this video. Because I didn't know whether I was going to post it or not. I was just making a video, but enjoy Day 5. I was in my room the whole time, okay? Like it's raining, like it's been raining like 2 days straight, like rain. Like even, I don't know if you can hear it right now. So I've been hearing this cat, like, this puppy like crying the whole time. Like it's crying, it's cold outside. I was like, let's go check, like where the noise is coming from. Then I went to check and then there's this cute puppy. It's white and black and it's like so cute. Like I've named it Moo because it looks like a cow. So yeah, so basically what I'm going to do is, let me show you guys, Guys, meet Moo. Hi. Oh, he's sleeping now. Hi, Moo. Okay, so yeah. So I think he's still okay. He's shivering so badly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for something else to cover him. And as soon as it stops raining, I'll bring you milk, okay? Please be safe. Okay, let me bring something to warm him up again. Okay, I found something. Let me see if I can make like a fake dog bed for it or something like that. Something that's going to be warm. Oh, I think he's going to be fine. Okay, so that's definitely it. When it stops raining, I hope to go outside and get him like milk or something like that, or like some dog food. I don't know what I'm supposed to give him, but apparently I'll be taking care of him for now. I love dogs so much. Oh my god. Okay, I hope he's fine now. Let me let him sleep because he's been crying like you guys said. I heard him cry for like 2 hours non-stop. So, okay, he slept. He's so warm and he's so cute. Okay, bye. I'll give you updates on what happens with him. Okay, I went outside to check on him again, and now he's cold. I don't know what to do. I think I should move him from the floor and put him in the sink or something. I don't know what to take you, Moo. I don't know what to take you. He's so cold and he's moved. I think I'll put him in the sink in here or something like that because outside like this he's cold. Okay, I don't know what to do and it's not stopping to rain. I need to get him food. What am I gonna do? Okay, let me put him in the sink. Okay, so, his stomach is making sounds. Look at him, he's so cute. Okay, he's cold. I think he's cold. Let me put him in the sink. Okay. Yeah, I think the sink will be better. Yes, Moo. I have a dog. Okay, it's not mine, but hi. I'm so happy. Okay. Yeah, okay. I think he's okay now. Okay, just wait for the food, okay? Okay, Moo. His name is Moo. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get his food. I'm definitely getting you food, okay? And don't fall. Please stay in the sink. Do not fall. Okay, you know what's funny is like I can imagine someone finding me and taking to this sink and okay, anyway. I hope he stays okay. I hope he doesn't fall. I think the sink is better because there's no water and it's warm, I think. I guess. I don't know. I'll figure something out after some time. I'll come check on him. Okay, so let me go check on him. I've showered. I'm from filming a video. Oh, the bed is locked. I'm from filming the video. I'm going to check on him. Oh, someone put him down. Oh, there's water in the sink. Okay, he's here. Are you sleeping? Oh. You're so cute. I know. I'm sorry. Sleep. Okay? Oh, look at him. Oh my god, he's so cute. Okay, you're fine, okay? I'll be bringing for you food very, very soon. Don't worry. Sleep. Sleep, okay? Okay. Yes, sleep, okay? Okay, so I've checked on him. He's fine. I'm happy. The rains don't seem to be stopping. It's like 2 p.m. and it's still raining. Like it's so bad. So what I'm going to do is I think I'll try and go out because I'm going out right now. I'll try and go out and get him like some milk, warm it, then leave because I'm going to leave the house. So yeah, I hope you'll be fine. I'll come check on him when I come back. Okay, bye. Oh, I'm so happy. He's so warm now. Okay. Hi, Moo. So an update. He moved. I didn't find him last night when I came back. Okay, I'll become dark. I didn't find him last night when I came back, so now I'm going to check on him. Apparently he's got family and brothers and sisters, so let me go show you guys. But otherwise, I guess that's it. Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and